Hey everyone, it's Aaron, and today I'm in the kitchen to share with you my 3 favorite ways to cut a bell pepper for sautés, for salads, and for soups. Let's start with how to cut a bell pepper for a sauté. First, we'll wash and dry the pepper and lay it on its side, and use a sharp knife to remove the top and bottom. I like to remove as little as possible so the top and bottom pieces are as flat as can be. Then carefully get your blade inside and cut out the ribs to cleanly remove the core. Flip the pepper body back up on its end and use swift chops with the tip of your knife to slice even 1/2 inch thick sticks. Once that is done, slice the top and bottom into 1/2 inch thick sticks as well. The key to preparing vegetables is to keep size consistent. That way everything cooks evenly. Next, let's prep a bell pepper for eating raw on a salad. Again, we'll take off the top and bottom and remove the core. This time I'm just going to rip the core out with my hands because this pepper is a little small to get my knife into. Be sure to remove all the seeds, and for this pepper, I'm just going to save the top and bottom for a soup, so I will put those to the side. For salad, I like the bell pepper to be as thin as possible, so I'm going to use a mandolin slicer. I will start by holding it with my bare hand for good control, but as it gets closer to the blade, I'm going to switch to using the slicer guard, and that's it. Nice, thin slices, perfect for a salad. Lastly, I will be cutting this red bell pepper for use in soup. My goal here is to have even-sized little squares, so that they cook consistent and fit nicely on a spoon. Remove the top and bottom. Then, instead of cutting the core out, I will cut the sides off of the core to give myself large flat squares that I can then cut into 4. Finally, I will cut up the top and bottom as best I can to match the size and shape of the other pieces. The top and bottom are always tricky, but I like to use as much of the bell pepper as I can so I'm not wasting, while removing all of the white pith. And that's today's video. I hope it was helpful. For more, please visit our website, healthygrocerygirl.com, follow Megan on Instagram @healthygrocerygirl, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Have a great day.